Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to check price action for Nifty for September month. So we'll take fourth week, last week as well. So this is week 1 and then this is week 2. So when you check for fourth week, because of the USA news, it was a negative decay. But week 1 it was a short one, so it was definitely a positive decay. So here is a full-fledged version, open and close almost similar. So this week range it was very good. So almost from 500 to 25k, it's a 500 points range which had a very good straddle success for the sellers. Okay, now we'll move on. We'll see for next week onwards from the next chart. So similar way you can try for Midcap Nifty as well as Finnifty. I'm only going to explain for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty pretty straightforward, similar to Nifty. Now we'll go on to check the main picture. So we'll start with equity here. So this is basically EOD at 4 p.m. data. When you check for the negatives, it is Trend, Eternal and Ultra Chemco. Trend on the second day in a row, it's being in the negative side up till 1% down. So on the positive side, we have Infi, Dr. Reddy and Wipro, which is 4 to 2% up. Strikingly, US is making a lot of noise in the IT sector, and IT sector is booming here. So I don't know what correlation it is having with the US database or something. Okay, so we are having second day straight gap up of 90 points, which is a good gap up, but it didn't sustain and it was falling off. And Bank Nifty is also having a decent gap up. And you check for all, definitely it was a positive sign. We'll move on to the FII data. I'm not sure whether we have the data for ninth. Anyway, I'll try to just analyze the basics. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so 10th data is not available. I will upload in the shorts. Ninth data I have already analyzed yesterday. Okay, so in the Sensible website, we'll try to check out the news. So we don't have any holidays for September. News is not there for 10th. We have 11th. So we have three datas, USA and Europe news, which is coming up. So Thursday might be the price action will be very nice. I'm expecting. Thursday we have Patanjali products bonus 2:1 ratio. Okay, not much of a news, no holidays at all. Okay, we are going to check the OI here. So OI, you could see it was a profit booking day. So profit booking at 2:30, you would have observed here. And exactly, so sorry, for 16th, I have to check. Exactly at 2:30, you see the build up is also happening in the next expiry. 30th, the build up is very slow, and I'm seeing a sideways positions from the data available here. For Bank Nifty, it is straight, so it was pure sideways. Now we'll go to check the straddle points. We are going to see if the straddle points are profitable or not. So first off is Nifty. Yeah, Nifty open was, let's take Nifty here. I'll take both, it would be nice. So here when you check for Nifty open, it is 850. Let me shift to 15 minutes time frame so that we can understand the price action a little bit in a deeper way. Okay, so this is the price action. As you could see, first half it was trending down, second half it was going up. Okay, so it's like U-shaped recovery, the green one, and then you could see 850 from 80 it just went to 20, so it was a very good decay. And to calculate, let's calculate the PNL. So 80 to 20 means almost 60 points decay. Okay, now let's take this alone and calculate the profit expiry on Tuesday. Okay, so one lot for Nifty is 75 times decay is 60 points. It's a positive decay. Okay, so we are checking for 850 straddle. Okay, when you do the calc math, So 4,500, which is a very good profit plus tax and brokerage for the strike 850 PE and CE selling. Okay, so this is how you get maximum profit when it is in the selling side of positions. And now we are at Bank Nifty. When you check for open, it is 300. Let me quickly change it to Bank Nifty. Similar way you can test for Finnifty and Midcap Nifty. 300 here also it was a beautiful decay. So first the decay was instant, and then afterwards it just went sideways from 925. Okay, so that's it guys. I think pretty much I have covered everything. So yeah, thank you.